Today I'll be taking a quick look at two different Pacman themed watches. Timex and Casio have both released watches based on the iconic arcade game. Here's the Timex Pacman collaboration. It's a 38mm on a leather strap based off their Weekender model, which happens to be one of their most popular models. It's a nice, simple watch with the main feature being the face, which looks like a level from the game. I love how the minute hand has Pacman on the end, eating up everything in its path. It is a quartz movement and the case is made of polished silver toned brass. This watch is great if you're looking to shake things up a bit and wear something fun. Moving on now, we have the Casio Pacman collaboration. This one's all packaged up in a Pacman themed box, and we even get a nifty display case. This model is based off their A100 series, which are re-releases of their F100 series, the first Casio built with a resin case. A fun fact, the original F100 Casio was featured in the 1979 classic film Alien, worn by Ryder. So we've got a gold case with a black band that has been plastered with Pacman graphics. I think both of these watches are really fun if you want to just break up your collection a little bit. Both of these watches are in limited stock, so if you like the look of them, click the links in the description to grab one at watchdepot.com.au.